Hey guys, you may have heard that here at Panel Tools Online, we've just launched our brand new coated compression cutter called Xtreme Blue. And before I take you through all the benefits of it, I'd like to actually go through the 3 different types of compression cutters that we have here at Panel Tools Online. Now down this end, you have an entry-level carbide compression cutter. This is great for going through ply or just a good cost-effective cutter for all your different purposes. If you want to step it up and go to our titanium carbide, this is actually an alloy of titanium and carbide. So it is great for going through your laminated MDF and chipboard. There's a beautiful finish and lasts much longer because of the titanium and its ability to be shaped in a way with a sharper edge and also to withstand heat and pressure. Now this is the thing that I'm really excited about. This is our new Xtreme Blue coated compression cutter. Now this is actually a normal titanium carbide cutter with the added nanotech coating. Now what nanotech means is that it applies a coating so that it is super thin, like 0.001 millimeters. And the benefits of that is that unlike standard coating, you don't end up with a blunt edge once you apply the coating. You get a really good sharp edge. And now for the coating makes it 40% harder and allows it to withstand heat of extreme temperatures. And that just helps when you try and increase your RPMs, increase your feed speeds, and just put more pressure on the cutter. It can withstand that and it can just keep on going. So those are your 3 options, guys. And if you have any more questions about what they're used for or what are the benefits, feel free to contact